Hello guys, welcome everyone. In this video we're showing you how to recover deleted projects in CapCut. So you can do this from your phone and from your laptop or PC. So to do this guys, you just pretty much navigate to the left panel of the settings right over here. And you just press on the spaces. So as you can see I have my default space in here. I'm going to press on it, and pretty much what's happening when you press the delete button on the project, it literally just moves into trash. So it's not instantly deleted, and you can easily recover it as so. So after that, after going here into your space, as you can see, it also shows you how much of the memory you've used. Just click on trash. And as you can see, I have two items in here that I have deleted previously, and I can easily recover it. So they will be here for 30 days. Make sure to understand that. After 30 days, they are permanently deleted. But once they are here and still here, press on three dots and restore. So you can restore as many as you want. Also, just make sure that you have enough storage room in your space to do this. So that's pretty much it, guys. Enjoy. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.